Welcome to C# Programming for Beginner class. This is my 15th video, and in this video I will talk about arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used for mathematical operations in C# programming language. For example, addition is used for adding two values together or many values. Subtraction is used for subtracting one value from another value. Multiplication is used for multiplies two values or many values. Division is used to divide one value by another value. Mod operators or modules is used to return the division, remainder, and increment and decrement. These are the arithmetic operators to use in the C# programming language. So let's see how we can use these in our programming. So let's come to the Visual Studio. So as we told that addition is used for adding two values or many values in our programming language, C# programming language. So let's see how we can do that. So let me add two values, console dot write, and then I want to add two values, for example 3 plus 3 or 5, and you better know it's equal to 8. So let's say the result is right or no. So you can see the result is same as we told, 8, and we can add multiple values together, and we can display the result of the sum result of these multiple values. For example, plus 5 plus 7, and you better know the 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, plus 5 is equal to 13, and plus 7 is equal to 20. So let's see. So let me run the program, and you can see the result is same as we told. We can do this same for subtraction too. So let's see how we can do that. For example, I want to subtract one value from another. For example, I want to subtract 3 from 5. So the 3 will minus from 5, and you better know it's 2. So let's see the result is same or no, as we told. So as we told, the result is 2. So that's how we can use for minus or subtraction, and we can do that for multiplication too. For example, 3 multiplied by 3, 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. So you can see the result is 15. We can do that for division too. For example, I will change the value 5 to the 6, and 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. You better know that. So let's see. You can see the result is 2. So that's how we can do that for the operators: addition, minus, subtraction, and multiplications. And the mod operator is used for showing us or displaying us the remainder of the division. For example, I want to change the value to 5 and change this value to the 2. I will change the symbol to the mod operator. So what this basically do, so this will divide the 5 by 2, and the fixed value will is, we know it's 2, and the remainder will be 1. So this show us the remainder of the division. For example, let me show the result will be 1. You can see this operator is used for displaying the value of division remainder. We can do this in during variable creations or declaration too. For example, I want to declare one variable integer num is equal to 3 plus 4, and this is how we can store the sum of 3 plus 4, and we can do this to multiply. The result of multiply can store be the num variable, and also the division or the multiplication. So this will store the mathematical operation result in the num variable. So we can also divide, we can also add, divide, multiply, subtract the two variables result in another variable. For example, I have two variables, integer x and it's equal to 10, 20, and integer y is equal to 10. So this we have this, you can see we have two variables x and y, and we want to store the mathematical operation result in the third variable, and integer z is equal to x plus y. Or we can do for any operation, mathematical operation, for example minus, we can do multiplication, we can do division, and also mod. So that's how we can use the mathematical operations with our arithmetic operators. So what is increment and decrement, and how we can use this? So increment, as I told, that it increment the value of any variable or any value by 1. For example, I have a variable integer x, and I will assign the value for that is 10, and I will increment the value by the symbol of plus plus. So x is equal to, so x plus plus means that add 1 to the x value. So the x value is 10, and it will add the 1 to the x value. So now the x value will be 11. So let me show the value of x. So display the x. So let's run the program. So you can see the result of x will be 11, and the minus do the same, but it will decrease the value. For example, minus, and now the value of the x will be 9, because minus for decrement means that minus 1 from the x value. Let's run the program, and you can see. So that's how we can do the mathematical operations with arithmetic operators. So like and share the video, and if you have any question, you can ask it in comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video.